If you'll be looking for a home on the north side of Houston, I encourage you to check out the community that we're in right now. We're in Amira, and we are looking at a 2-builder community here. So not a ton of builders, but I will say some quality builders are here. We're talking about Perry Homes and Beazer Homes. We'll be seeing both of their models today in the 45-foot section. I wanted to show you specifically their 45-foot section because you can get a home here under $400,000 and you get the quality of both of these builders, and I think it's incredible. If you're looking in the Tomball area, you're going to want to check out this community here. We are right now in their resort little section of their amenities. So we've got a resort style pool, we've got playgrounds, we've got walking trails, we've got lots of stuff to keep the whole family entertained. And so that's what I'm here to show you today. If you're ready, let's go take a look at them. All right, we're starting off looking at Beazer today in the 45-foot section. This is the Maxwell plan, and if you're looking for a nice, simple layout, this one could be for you. We're talking about 1,702 square feet. It's a 3-bed, 2-bath. There's a mudroom. There's a covered front porch, what you see right here. But there's no office space. There's no extra flex room. You get kind of what you get in this plan, but it's really nicely laid out. There's nice finishes, and overall, the exterior looks great. The interior looks great, and it's a nice plan. Let me know what you think about this one, and stay tuned for the next one. Enjoy. like this Beazer plan, let me know. On to Perry's model home in the 45-foot section. Look at that lovely peaked roof lines there. I just love that. We're talking about the 1984 plan. Very popular, 1 story. This is another 3-bed, 2-bath, but if you're looking for a little bit more, this one does have a study. You could turn it into a flex room if you wanted to. There's also a mud room here, 2-car garage. Finishes are great, lovely exteriors, just a great home in general. Let me know what you think about this one. Enjoy.